Hey guys, I'm Sean Calloway and I'm the Product Development Manager here at AnzoUSA. And today we're going to be installing our full LED tail lights on a Jeep Wrangler JL. So let's take a look at the lights. We have our red lens. Up here on the upper and lower, we'll see that we have our running lights, which is our unique styling. Here in the center, we have our reverse. And just above that, right here and here, we have our turn signal and brakes. So if we take a look at the back side, we have our mounting bracket, a resistor for the turn signals, and a plug and play connector. Let's get these installed and see what they look like. Tools needed for the tail lights are a 3/8 ratchet, a 10mm socket, a short extension, and a flat blade screwdriver. Okay, so removing the tail light is actually very simple. And instead of it normally taking place on the outside of the vehicle, it's going to take place on the inside of the vehicle. So all we're going to do is open up the back hatch, and I'll show you where the access bolt is. Okay, so once you open your tailgate, right back here in line with where the tail light would be, you'll see this little cover right here. So you just take a flat blade screwdriver and pop it up like that. Once you remove that, you'll see this 10mm bolt right here, and we'll take our ratchet and untwist this. Okay, so we've removed the bolt that holds it in, and now all we have to do is free it from the vehicle. We just do this by wiggling it back and forth, and then we just unplug our connector here. Okay, so now we're ready to put in the new tail light, and all we're going to do is drop the resistor in there. This all plugs right in, just like this. Snaps, close it, and then reline it up on the vehicle like this, right into those holes. Now all we have to do is put our bolt back in, and we can see what they look like.